So here's an interesting little project. This is a trigger out of a snap-on air gun, and a friend of mine, this is actually, the stem here is broken. It's just super glued on back together, and apparently Snap-on doesn't service these anymore. I'm not a big Snap-on person myself. I don't, just because of the expense. I've never been a big Snap-on person for whatever reason. I don't know why, but anyway, so I don't know much about him, but he tells me that he can't get this trigger. They don't service the part anymore. So we're gonna make this. I chose brass because I imagine that the gun itself, the air gun, is an aluminum casting. And I don't have any aluminum this big. This is 1.5 inches. So yeah, I'll go with brass. It'll be a little softer in there. So the little stem on this guy right here is 300 thousandths in diameter. This is 1.5 inches, so we got to take like 1 inch and 200 thousandths or something off. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, we're just getting ready to take the final pass here. Next order of operations is going to be to mill this slot in here. And I just pin gauged it. It's 94 thousandths. So first things first, I got to come in and find the edge here. Get to the center. This is 300. Find the edge here. Get to the center. Come out. Touch off on the end here, and then move in the appropriate amount. All right. I think we got all the stops in place now, and let's see if we can make this part. Okay, so we got a nice little slot in there now, just like this guy. And now we just have to part this off. Alright, just going to face off this soft saw cut end here. Alright guys, so this is going to be kind of a take two. So this is the first one I started with, and just got a little overzealous here and took a little too much. So this part is basically scrap. But got the next one made here, and got my major dimensions, and just going to face this little part off. So we're set for 0. So let's see what we can do here. It always amazes me that we have to dig through all of this to get to this. So that's as close as I can get it. A lot of these dimensions are kind of theoretical. So you know, this is some of this is just artistry, right? But all of the critical dimensions are there, and another done project. Okay, so just another done project, and my friend's going to be coming by to pick this up and try it out, and I'm sure it'll work. But I'll let you know. But again, it's a snap-on air gun. I'll ask him what the model is, and I'll put it in the description. It's no big deal. So here you go, guys. This is installed in the gun, and it seems to work. He's going to take it home and try it out and see what happens. Meantime, stay tuned for more cool stuff.